Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Know Your Noun. My name is Kimrose. In this class, we will talk about common and proper noun, singular noun, and plural noun. So let's get started. Amasa class atun, noun, what are nouns, and its types, the temkhat iniveovin, hiti ban zo mading tuntuni ahin, amasa pe nading in proper noun, anaveo hiti. Proper noun hi ipi ho, hu proper noun ham iti ahile, hitilaya ke say dung zuya tu, min, mihim ho min hi hen lang, til ho min hi hen lang, mun min hi zong le, amin chat say isaya, ihet pa to jisu proper noun kiti hi. For example, adding in schools tinge. Schools katia hile, hiti schools hi ka hin say pa na hile. Then I talk about all the schools in the world. Vanuile si na schools o si kasay na hi na. Ahile, hiti schools kantia hile, kui school pen kasay hi lo to. Hija tu vanuile si na schools o si kasay na schools pa hi, hiti hi common noun. Okay? And then hiti schools hola hi, for example, Model English Higher Secondary School. Katia hile, that means school tam tala ahi, hiti school kasay na hiti heto. Tija tu hiti pahi, model school pahi, M capital, English school capital. Na, ahile hi proper noun hung hiditato. Then, hiti school, common noun pahi, tilaya hi a mistake ne het uvam. Yes, mistake to ipiha. S should not be capital because it's a common noun. Common noun na tilkhat nahin say patle til schools ham, university ham, ipipi na say hizong le. Common noun na tucheng hozo si chu. It start with the small letter alphabet, schools, okay? If it's a small letter kazaham, it's a common noun. And then proper noun ahung hi pa na hile, proper noun ahi, always the first alphabet is capital. It is to confuse law diu hina proper noun ahi. And it common noun ahin hung view hiti. Common noun ahi rules is that ham khat me. Iti rule khat to ipihamiti ahile, not capitalized unless they are at the beginning of the sentence. Inzo wa tizuka say nahi. Tun amasa adding in hiti higa view hiti. I saw grandmother in the kitchen. Na, ipiaki panam hiti sentence hi. Abul pat ipiham. I, abanala, so. Grandmother hi tihi common noun. Common noun. Te si hozo si say na. Numay te si hozo si tu amho ki het na hi piham tia hile grandmother. Grandmother to common noun. Na, tija tu hitilai G hi small letter. It is a small letter because it's a common noun. Okay? Ahile, rule chidungzuya common noun dungzuya hi, hiti grandmother G hi capital letter zonghung hiteju. Ahivanga iti pale capital letter hung hidiham iti ahile, sentence akipat na apana ahile. Amma sa pen hivevole, grandmother is in the kitchen. Na, atiti tugol hi ipiaki pana, common noun akipancho. Common noun. Grandmother, common noun akipancho. Ahile, tilahi ipidinga capital letter here. Ahile tilai on grandmother, common noun here. Why small letter here? Azitu, Z hi grandmother. Na, hiti sentence hi common noun akipancho. Common noun na sentence akipat na hile G to capital letter na zate. Okay? Ahivanga tugul hi common noun na akipat lawa adang light I saw grandmother in the kitchen at hile alayla apan dinga hile. Common noun alayla apan dinga hile G hi. Always small letter. Nale. And then the title of the poem is Grandmother. Atito. Title of the poem hiti title ho na to sim ham ahilawa hile poem ham ahilawa hile la title ho ham ipipi hizong le. It's ya to common noun is ading ahile. Always capital letter. Capital letter kizang kitu tilaya tu. Okay? common noun hi wanga capital letter iti pha leki zanga mitya hile title of the poem, title of the novel, title of the story iti pha le chun common noun hi zongle the first alphabet jo capital letter ki mang thei ani na sentence a common noun na akipat na hile then the first alphabet can be capital but iti common noun hi alaila a thugul sentence alaila a panahile rule in wang aphallo capital letter hiding hi aphallo okay but it must be a small letter for example it benading ga she ate an apple chlai hi small letter ki jang cho ele apple hi noun chula noun ho zo si to first alphabet to capital letter hi de he tiu chuna ai wanga hi apple hi common noun ipidia common noun ham tia hile apple can be green apple red apple zong uma yellow apple zong umcho let's do here this sentence talks about apple which is common noun okay that's a common noun rule dong zu ya to ipikitia first alphabet must be lowercase that is small letter okay and then anina hinvekinote she has an apple phone apple here a capital hi get that ipitia capital hamitia hile because here in this second sentence this sentence talks about the company name right company name company dang apple dang umlo khat company apple company asay here this is not a common noun this is a proper noun okay company tam tala ipi company pena sayham apple okay then a capital it's like putting a small letter because this is common noun why is this common noun because there are many apples green apples red apples yellow apples so here a sentence ipi apple pen for example red apple atia hile then this can be proper noun okay she ate an apple at the that's why a is written in a lowercase because here apple takes as a common noun okay and then here she has an apple phone and here this sentence talks about a company name and a is written in an uppercase that is capital letter because here it mentioned the specific company name okay and then here let's go down again here the Eiffel Tower is in Paris na amun chat say that to place to P capital letter and Eiffel Tower that means out of many tower in the world it is mentioned Eiffel Tower tam tala amin hoi chi pen tower ki say hi het no chu Eiffel Tower ki say hoi lai muna Paris then amunzong Paris ipi pen ki say ham Eiffel Tower then hoi ta ki chi ta ki het thei ja chu proper noun hi pan na lo wa hi sentence a proper noun pan na lo hi meaning ki hello na thu do na jing hi that's a proper noun hi a king of noun azong ki he na king of noun azi chu sentence hi itabang bang thu ki say ham itabang thu ham ti ho hi abona proper noun lawai le ki chi lo hi ja chu proper noun ma hi le thu gul hi ki chi hi ja chu that's grammar ading a noun la ading a chu proper noun hi king of noun zonga ki ti theya ka gel hi na ke gel na tun abana grab anaveu hi ti grab dung zu ya chu bi hamiti a hela chilaya hi common noun si chilaya kan gol hain proper noun si chilaya ka hin gol hai ai le hi chite ni na hin wat ka awa hi ipia ki hina na muam na mu diu chi phiam tire hi chilaya common noun ama sapena alphabet umzo si abona small letter and then proper noun hi abona vekitau abona hi first alphabet hi abona what it's written in a uppercase which is capital letter and then chahin man anaveu hite man he pasal zo si ki sei na hi na man ka tia hi le kui pen ka sei ham ti ki hello cha chu man la a hi thangpu ka tia hi le pasal tam ta la a thangpu amin ka sei a hi le then thangpu ka sei na he ti na he no chu nu mei tam tala hling nu ka tia hile o nu mei tam tala hi hling nu asai na dan he na ichi ja chu ichi te ni chu koi pen ka sai hi he thei ji o wa chu ichi te ni hi proper noun ichi lai hi koi pen ka hai nu mei tam tala koi pen ka sai ki hello pasal tam tala koi ka sai ki hello ichi ho hi common noun okay it's like he koi pen ka say aki het ja chu chi hi proper noun okay and then city to country city tam ta country tam ta yong la city la chu koi pen ka say ham ipi city pa ka say ham Mumbai country tam ta la ipi country ka say ham China it is ja chu it like ten he hoi like city ka say ham hoi like country ka say ham ti chu proper noun na ko na hi het theo na it's just like a proper noun and then cities OC countries OC ka say na chu pyam kya hile then this is common noun and then day to mon ahin hung kino hitale hichi day to mon he day he ipp day Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday na hichi day hos la chu day ka tia hile day bawa hi common noun day hi ipi ni hu ka say na ne het lo zo and then proper noun na Wednesday kan tia hi le then oh ni hu hi za la hi Wednesday asai da ne he ai le month ayong to January February March April till December 12 months hiti ho la chu months ka tia hi le months la chu ipi month ka say na ham ti chu het lo zo chi common noun na hi na ai wanga ipi man pen ka say na ham August kan tia hile oh month hi August a choose dan he tia hi hi chia ku na hi hoi lai man pen ka say hi tu he theo hi na chi a proper noun hi very very important so now we'll come to the university here university hi aki hi na mu ma university 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 it's written all of the word is written in a lower case abona his small letter akizito ipizia I'm talking about the university of the world wanui sin na university kasay na ito ele koi university pen kasay hitam di het talo to silaya hina and then let's go to proper noun University of Delhi na tatu Hoila University kasay na ham Delhi University of Manipur University of Shillong na diyong kasay te then it's a proper noun University of Delhi tia amun chat na say te pale University tam tala amun khan than do thea hile then it's a proper noun and U and D must be capital U to capital hung hidita abale Delhi ham Shillong ham Mumbai ham Kolkata ham Manipur ham nazi dinga hile then the first alphabet of the place must be written in capital letter it is to kamkhat pronoun to common noun akihi dan invanoi tun abana singular le plural anaveu hite tun abana dingin singular le plural anaveu hite plural the singular ahi akihi na chu ipiham kya hile singular ong kiti ahile it's just a names of any one thing na til khat bo kisai nahi meng cha cat iti ahile CAT bawa kita S ki haplo man woman baby na iti ho hi abona singular hi iti ho hi iti phale plural hung hi di hamiti ahile S ES ai lo ahile IES ti ho hi ahung ki at phale then ala sa hi adding ahung ki bola ahung ki habbe ahile then plural hi di iti ho hi singular cat man woman cat zong to man sakhat bo a man only one man only one woman only one baby to he singular hin tun plural hi na veu hi te plural hi ni a ki hom ki hi khat hi piham ta hele regular noun and irregular noun ki ne regular noun a hi piham ta hele chilaya plural to hi de for example chilaya singular a cat to cats s hung khap ta na horse ho zong so singular a horse so horses na es hong khap ta and then baby to singular a baby to ies hong khap ta hi cho zo si hi plural na and then hitia ses ies achaina ki hom aki hap ho hi regular noun kiti hi na then regular noun chu plural to hung ki irregular to hung ki he ki chu ipiti ki hi amiti ahile irregular noun a hi plural word heading ahi wanga s e s i e s ki hablodi na words not ending with s e s or i e s but but the word must be plural nale chu irregular for example irregular at view hiti chehi what is the plural of tooth t o o t h tooth teeth na s song umlo es song umlo i e s song umlo ei wanga hi plural na le hi ho hi and then foot f o o t foot plural achu feet f e e t s umam es umam ies umam umlo and it's still a plural and here me and man me and man wome and woman na hiziteni yang s umlo es umlo ies umlo but still plural kisay na atam ta kisay na hizo na man a plural noun a plural word of man is men then plural word of woman woman to change into women and then foot change into fit but atay na hi s e s i e s umlo na iti hozo si hi irregular noun kiti okay and then people he one person two person kiti thay hi singular ato but to whole person plural to people hong hi na to like people there is no s e s i e s umlo Dunia dingin klase tan hin ana chai tao hitin aki chai tan aina vat pi ho zo si chunga ki pathu kahin honge thanks for watching